Hey guys, it's Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all of guys are doing extremely well. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you monsoon preset or the rainy preset, especially for this monsoon. This preset I basically handcrafted for you guys just for free to use your photographs and just make it to kind of monsoon type dull muted cloudy look. So by using this preset you can just make a perfect rainy picture for your Instagram upload and just stand out your profile from the rest. So guys, before getting into the video, just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new backgrounds, new camera preset, new Lightroom preset, new LUTs to collect videos as well as photos, and also the mobile Lightroom preset and other cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. So guys, go and check it out that website. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations, and also just send me the suggestion what kind of videos you want in my next upcoming videos, and just DM me on Instagram. And also guys, we gonna launch our second website, that is www.filterpreset.com. On that website you're gonna find the most creative and the popular trending color effect which you are seeing on Instagram, or the famous YouTuber as well as famous photographer are using that kind of color effect in their photograph. That everything would be uploaded on that website in the form of mobile Lightroom preset, PC Lightroom preset, camera preset, and also the LUTs files, all the cinematic LUTs or the color effect which you are seeing on YouTube videos. That everything would be uploaded on that website. So guys, stay tuned on that website, and guys, it will take some time to upload content over there. So before any further ado, let's jump to the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. So guys, all you have to do is just download this rainy mobile Lightroom preset rare file from the links down given in the description. That would be camera Lightroom preset. Also you can just download, just right click on it and extract here. So you will extract the folder. Now open that folder, and here is the FP rainy preset. FP stands for filter preset and rainy preset AVC just stands for ashvircreations. Now just copy this preset and just we will install this preset to our Lightroom for PC though. So go to the C drive, select the user, go to the ashvircreations user, go to the app data folder. Now just go to the lower roaming, go to the Adobe and just select the Lightroom folder and go to the develop preset. Now here you can paste the settings or the preset in the user preset folder, or else you can also paste it on the filter preset. Let's paste it over here. Now you can just start the Lightroom and let's see how it actually looks if you apply this preset to your photograph and just make a perfect rainy photo or the monsoon spatial photo manipulation by adding this preset effect to your photo for your monsoon uploads. Now let's select this. Now let's say this is our photo. Now from the preset tab here you can see FP rainy preset. Now just click on this preset, and here you can see that it is really giving your photograph a perfect rainy look and making it more and more adorable. Let's apply this to this photo. Just click on this and you can see the difference is really looking very amazing guys. So you can use this preset and just move your game of the rainy season to a kind of next level. Here let's apply this, and guys you can see the difference is really looking very amazing. This is a perfect preset for your the rainy season or the monsoon. You can see the difference. Here is before and here is after. Now guys, let's install this same preset for your camera preset in the Photoshop. So just download this rare file from the links down given in the description and just right click on it and extract the file. Open that folder, and here you can see FP rainy preset AVC. Now just copy this preset and let's just go to the roaming, select the Adobe, and just instead of Lightroom just go to the camera, go to the settings and just paste that preset file over here, and you can restart your Photoshop and you can see how it actually looks if you apply this preset by using the camera filter. So let's take some of the example images. So let's take this kind of image or kind of this. Just drag it and drop over here. Now let's go to the filter, select the camera filter, and directly you can just go to the preset tab, and from here you can see the FP rainy. Here is FP rainy AVC1. So you can see the difference is really making your photograph a perfect, aqua green type, perfect, photo for your rainy season. Now just hit OK, and directly let's apply this to this photo. Go to the camera and you can directly see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. Let's apply it to some other photographs. Let's apply this to this photo. Go to the filter, select directly camera filter. So guys, you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really a perfect photo for your rainy season. So guys, now let's jump to the mobile Lightroom screen and we will apply this same preset to the mobile Lightroom. Click on the right screen on the three dots and unselect the JPG or PNG. Only select the raw format. Raws are the preset file which are present in your SD card or gallery. So just click on here is a rainy preset. Now just add this preset to the Lightroom gallery. So it would be added to all photos. So here you can see that preset file would be uploaded. Here is our preset file. Now all you have to do is just click on the three dots on the right screen and just select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and let's just select any of the photograph and add this effect or the preset to that kind of photo and just make it look more and more perfect for your rainy. Let's apply it to this photo. Click on the three dots on the right screen and hit paste settings, and guys, you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very perfect for your kind of aqueous blue color tone for your rainy season. Let's apply it to this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and guys, you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very perfect, guys. You can use this preset to your any kind of, whether it would be a fashion portraits or rainy season portraits, wherever you can use this preset and just pop out your Instagram game to a next level. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed yet, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new backgrounds, new camera preset, new Lightroom preset, new LUTs to color grade your videos as well as photos, another cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. Also guys, we're gonna launch our second website, that is www.filterpreset.com. On that website we're gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful preset which you see on internet as well as on Instagram. That everything color effect would be uploaded on that website soon. So guys, stay tuned on that website. Also it will take some time to upload the content on that. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.